If you're having any challenges or difficulties, please quickly reach out to me so we can easily resolve it. So the first thing I did was to clean this data. I'll clean the data. One, I want to make sure that all my contents or everything I have in my data is the same thing with what I have here and what I have here. My 2016, 17, and 18. So I'm having the same format, the same content and the same format there. Another thing I love doing, I love to put them in left alignments so that everything will be aligned. I think they're already there. Yes, they're already there. I love to put them in left alignments. Let me see 2000. Yes, left alignments. I love to have them. So another thing I did, we need to remove. Okay, I have my headings already, and I make sure the same headings in 2016, 2017, and 2018. So after that, I make sure that they are in the same fonts and they're on left alignments. That one is my personal, just to be on left alignments. I love my figures, my details to be on this part. It looks more arranged for me. So the next thing I'm doing now is to be sure that I have total here. If you look at some of these figures appear twice. Some of the figures here appears twice. And look at this one too, it appears twice. So it means there is double counting, or it means repetition of figures, which will affect my preparation at the long run. So the best thing to do is to make sure that I remove my totals. Or any total, I need to remove the total, because total means a repetition of a figure. If you look at the total here, it must have another figure. So whichever total you can see, it will definitely have another figure. So all your totals means a repetition of a figure or a number. So now the best thing to do is to remove the figure for the 3 years. We need to remove them for the 3 years. What do? I'll come here and do what we call filter. I'll come to my data, then I'll click my filter. Once I click my filter, remove your total from your partner company. You can do that, or you can do it name of partner company, but I just want to remove it from my partner company. So if I picked this place, I would uncheck my select all. I will come here and check only total. If I come here and check only total, I'll click OK. Once I click OK, you notice that everything you're seeing here, it is total. You will notice everything you are seeing here, it is total. It means I want to remove all this total. I don't want to have it in my database again, or in my 2016 details again. So once I do this, I'll click Control minus. Once I click Control minus, it will pop up a prompt for me saying delete entire sheet row. Yes, I want to just click OK. It will disappear. Once it disappears, look at this part. If you can look at this part, you see that this is giving me one area. So I want to bring back the other details. I'll click here. They are all unchecked. That's why we are not seeing it. Immediately I check select all, I'll begin to see, I'll see them now. We all can see now, they are back. So this thing I did now, I'll do for 2017 and I'll do for 2018. So I'll come here again and I'll do my filter. Is already on filter because I've done the first one. So if I do this, I will come down, I will uncheck all. I will uncheck select all. Once I uncheck this, I'm coming down here. I'll choose my total again. Just my total. I'm ticking just my total, don't forget. And I'll click OK. The next thing is every details that will appear will be total. My partner company and name of partner company will be total. And this is what we have here, total all through. If you don't have total all through, that means you didn't unchecked, or you have checked something with total. So immediately you have this, you highlight all this. Once you highlight all this, click Control minus. It will ask if you want to delete the entire sheet. Say yes. Immediately you say yes, you delete immediately. Say OK. Immediately you say OK, you come back and bring back others details from here. Click here and select all. Just click, check this. Immediately you checked it, you click this, then everything will appear again. You can see that I don't have total here again. I don't have total here again. You cannot see total here again. I've removed my double posting or double count. It's not really double counting, it's just the way the ERP system brought it up for us, or the way it was downloaded here. So now
That's duplicate.
2000, yeah, that's the big. God bless you. God bless you. So 2018, I will do the same thing for 2018 again. I have it here again. I'll click here on tick, select all. Once I untick select, I'll tick only total. Once I tick only total, I'm clicking this place. So when I click this place, I'll have total all through. Make sure it is total you are having all through so that you will not delete an important item or a line item in your statement of accounts. You will not delete. So just all what you want to delete is total. So once I come here, I've confirmed that it's total. I'll highlight all. Will I highlight all? Control minus. That my control minus, click OK. It will disappear. Once it disappear, I'll come back here, select all. Once I select all, I'll click OK. You will not see my total there again. That's the first thing. That's the first step. Do anybody have question?